Okay, so in conclusion, I am using my assumption, but for the demand of my product, I will use the item that I have revised, which is from 4,000 units to 400 units to 460 units. I will use this in order for me to get 6,000 ringgit. And how I get it? How I get this? I use two-way table from this that I have explained. Okay, so my markdown pricing model, I have a problem here at discount sale since my discount revenue is negative, and the problem is solved. I I use this summary. The my assumption is 25%, but I have changed it to 35% in order for me to get the highest profit, 5,248 ringgit. And the second summary, I will not change anything from the inventory and clearance markdown, because the value, if I change, the value will be reduced. So I will stick to my plan, which is using this item. And the last one is outsourcing decision model. And I will choose to use to produce on my own, which is manufacture. I will not choose to purchase from another supplier, because this value is impossible to get from supplier. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.